Hello everyone, my name is Ba. I'm 9 years old. I study at Chunhua School. My favorite animal are tiger, panda bear, and lion. Tiger are wild animal, but you can see them also in the zoos over the world. Tiger have lifespan from 20 to 25 years. Panda bear live in the bamboo forest on the Metis. On, on in the middle south of the southwest China, there are only about 1,900 surviving in the wild today. Panda eat fast, a lot, and for 12 hours every day. Lion live in the Central Africa. Lion can eat up to 40 kilograms a day. There are about 23,000 lions left in the wild. Lion can run 74 kilometers per hour. Thank you for listening. Goodbye everyone.